In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a Fortinet access point. This process is essential for managing your network settings and ensuring everything runs smoothly. To start, you'll need to head over to the Fortinet website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Fortinet.com to reach the official site. Once there, look for the login option, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your Fortinet account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to create one, but assuming you do, proceed to log in. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is your main control hub for managing Fortinet services and tools. Direct your attention to the menu bar on the left side of the screen. Scroll down to find the Document Library option nestled at the bottom left corner. This library is a treasure trove of guides and manuals designed to help you navigate through various Fortinet products and services. Click on Document Library, and you'll be presented with a search bar. Here, you'll want to type in FortiAP or FortiWiFi. This search will filter through the library to find all relevant documents pertaining to Fortinet access points. Once the search results populate, locate and click on the entry labeled FortiAP, FortiWiFi. Now, you will be directed to a page that provides various guides. The next step is to click on the Configuration Guide. This section contains detailed instructions on configuring your FortiAP, which is crucial for setting up and managing your network effectively. Within the Configuration Guide, look for the section titled Access Point Configuration and click on it. This will bring you to a more focused area where you can dive into the specifics of configuring your access point. Here, you will find an option labeled FortiAP CLI Access. Click on this to access the command line interface, which allows for deeper configuration and customization of your access point settings. Finally, navigate to the FortiAP configuration mode. This is where the real magic happens. In this mode, you can fine-tune your FortiAP to match your network's specific needs. Follow the detailed instructions provided in this section to make the necessary adjustments. Remember, configuring your FortiAP correctly is key to ensuring optimal performance and security for your network. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully access and configure your Fortinet access point. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to consult the Fortinet support documentation or reach out to their customer service for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy configuring.